Orere mugomo wa arigitani kaunti-ini ya Kiambu oingirite nduko ya kana, mandagitari maugite matikuguoyohio ni mikana iria marutiirwo ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu ati mahota kurugamio wira angikorwo matigucokereria kuheana utungata wa urigitani.
Our strike is on and our strike will continue.
Mwandiki munene wa KMPDU Dr. Davji Atera augite mugomo wao no urathie na mbere agiukirira maabitha anene a kaunti ya Kiambu nikiria augite ni kwaga uigirereki na mikana yao itari kiene ndikumenyenyia.
Many a times counties and governors will come out try to intimidate us, but we want to say that no amount of intimidations, no amount of threats, no amount of tantrums will resolve the problems that we have put on paper.
Tera augite arigitani mathiete na mbere na kunyamarika amwe makihingirwo nginya nyumba ciao kumana na gucerithirio kwa mishara ya arigitani.
The delays of salaries, the Kiambu County doctors will tell you that they have been receiving notifications from the banks to charging them interest more than anything else. That payment of their salaries, as they told me, has been reduced to be an issue of benevolence. That the county finds it a favor to pay you your salaries for the days that you've worked. And many of them get their houses locked sometimes.
Oho Atera oreti arutwo arigitani kwaga gutungatira arwaru thibitari-ini nginya hindi iria thirikari igwitikira kunanira njung'wa na arigitani na kuhingia ciiraniro ciao.
We want to tell interns that when the consultants are out, the doctors are out, stay out of work. Stay out of work in Kiambu County, because that is an hostile employer that will choke you with frustration.
Mukana wa KMPDU okiterere thirikari ya Kiambu yugite mihango ni cokereirie mathibitari-ini thutha wa arigitani kuiga mirothi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Karega wa Buthia.